Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com. I'm just making this a small video about weekly recap. So let's get started. I want to make it quick. All the trades taken by using Magic Abbey system. Week started on the 19th. So this is my first trade, Euro-Aussie on the 19th. Sell from 7-minute chart. And then this is the pound Aussie. Because of the Aussie strength, basically they all went down, both of them, on the 19th. And then the 20th, the 19th, also pound Newsy. Pound Newsy is very interesting. I'm going to show you a weekly chart later on. We're probably gonna have a lot of good trades in coming weeks. So this was one of those. Okay, it was just a beginning. And then 20th, I have nothing, maybe the entry on the 20th, but you know, I closed some of those trades on the 21st, which is one of them is Euro Yen. And this is your CAD Yen. You're going to see a lot of Yen trades because of the Yen index. I made a video previously. So you can see that before and after. Yen index supposed to be getting weaker and all Yen pairs supposed to go up. So CAD Yen, USD Yen, Franc Yen, all of them, they went up. So I took advantage of that on the 21st. And then on 21st also Euro Aussie, nice and clean, bounce from here after dropping and bounce back. And then on the 23rd, all of those Yen pairs went up and then they start to come down. So you'll see, you know, Euro Yen again short. It was coming down, down, down. I missed this one here, but you know, I caught this one a little bit. And then you have pound yen also coming down here beautifully because of yen is moving, you know, back and forth. So now yen is getting strong, so you know, all yen pairs coming down. And then USD yen as well. Okay, first they all went up, then they all came down. That's what happens if you follow the index chart. Let me show you when I made the index chart, and I'm just following that index chart, and because of that I was able to predict that, yeah, okay, all these yen pairs gonna go up and all these yen pairs now gonna come down, you know, stuff like that. So let me show you that I was expecting here, for example, that I even wrote it here on the 17th May that this will make all yen pairs go up again. So they went up, this thing went up and then hit 53.90 and got stopped. Look right there, right, 53.90, and then it started to come down. So when the index start to come down, then all yen pairs gonna be coming down, and that's what happened. Yen index is all the way in the bottom here right now, back to this low here. Okay, let me just show you quickly if I can show you so that you know that this is what's happening. This is the beauty or benefit of watching the index, individual indexes. So now where is that 20-minute chart of yen index from 53.90 back to here? So it went up first here. I said if we cross 53.90 then we're gonna go all the way up, but it did, and then back to where it started from, right? It may drop all the way down to 53.19 when the market opens up. If I'm gonna see on the 7-minute chart that if it continue dropping, right, then all yen pair are gonna be dropping even more. But if we stop here and then start to go up again, then they all will make a turn. So this is how it works. Now let's go back to our previous showing here on the 23rd, that USD yen now, and then there was GN again, pound Newsy, right, on the 23rd, and I think this is the last one. Now the pound Newsy, you had another one here. Oh man, where it is? On the 19th, I guess. Yeah, here we go, right? Why am I taking shorts on pound Newsy? Is because of this chart. I have made weekly charts on almost everything, and so that I just take the trades if one of those, any of those charts start working out in my favor, then I start taking the entries in that direction of my chart, weekly chart. So pound NZD, if I can show you that this is what happens to this chart, and this is what I predicted before, is this. Okay, so 98.45, it may go up, may not, but if it will go up and hit the TL and then drop, or it will drop straight in a straight line. It went up very close to the TL, then it started dropping, and now I'm taking all those pound NZD short, and believe me or not, we have a long way to go on this one, right? So we can easily take all those. I'm gonna make this chart a new one, and then give it to my subscriber, hopefully today or tomorrow, and then all of those charts, I'm gonna renew them and then give it to the subscribers so that they can take the trades, and then I explain those charts in my webinar as well. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn how to do this, and learn the system, the whole system, then go to my website, myforexmagicweb.com, and subscribe today. Over the weekend you can set up your charts and learn a little bit, and then Sunday I will do the webinar, my usual webinar at 4 p.m. Eastern time, and I also send out the recording immediately I finish the webinar if whoever doesn't attend or couldn't attend. So so this is it. This is all I wanted to show, and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.